Make a boat with a shoebox. Children love to play using their active imaginations, castles, horses, and ships. Boats are usually the children's first choice when it comes to toys. But why buy a toy boat when you can make one? Not only is it cheaper, it will develop your child's craft skills as well and give you and your child bonding moments that he will enjoy and cherish. But don't hop into it yet. You need to be equipped with the know-how on how to make your own toy boat, with a shoebox. You and your child can share the tasks for this project, something that he can learn from. What you need to make the shoebox boat are: shoebox. Use the sturdiest shoebox, super glue or hot glue gun, non-toxic paint, colored paper, scissor masking tape, dowel rods, 5 inches and 7 inches, empty medicine bottle, used thread, spool, yarn. Make the boat base. Cut one side, on the shorter side, in the middle just enough to bend the sides. Don't cut all the way to the bottom of the box. After cutting the shorter side, bend both sides inwards so that the end of the shoebox creates a pointed shape. Be sure the point isn't sharp. Secure the bent sides with masking tape and clean the ends by trimming them. Decorate the shoebox. If the shoebox is colored white, you can color directly with non-toxic paint. But usually shoeboxes have prints and logos on them, so you need cover the shoebox with paper. If you want to paint the box, cover it with white paper and let the box dry. You can use colored paper if you don't want to use paint. You can cover or paint the insides of the shoebox as well. Paste pictures of anchors, fish, flowers, or anything you want to decorate the boat. Use glue to paste them and let them dry completely before moving the box, or they might fall off if they're not properly dried. Add some details to your boat. Use the used thread spools to make seats inside the boat. Use glue to stick them on the interior and arrange them at both sides as you normally see in an actual boat. You can color the spools if you wish. Add a steering wheel by cutting out a circle on colored paper and sticking it on a board. Cut out the inside of the circle so it would resemble a wheel. Glue it on an empty pill bottle to create the starboard. Create fishing rods out of the dowel rods by attaching a short piece of yarn. Glue the fishing rod at the sides of the boat. Add an anchor at one side using a cut-out anchor picture. Paste the picture at the lower part of the boat at one side only. Paste a short yarn going up the boat to signify the anchor rope. Sail proud. Lastly, You can add a flag on your boat by attaching a paper flag to a short thin stick and glue it either on the side or the center of the boat. You can add a sail by cutting out a small piece of thin canvas and gluing it on a stick and glue it on the interior of the boat, letting it protrude to the outside. Now you have a boat. This will be a fun activity with your child, and you're helping him sharpen his imagination and creativity.